Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 3 in which we will be discussing the NCERT exemplar problems on unit number 4, linear equations in one variable. In our previous 2 sessions, we have completed MCQ type questions, fill in the blank type questions, and as well as true or false type questions. So, today's session will be from the question number 49 onwards, which are of the type short answer, long answer type questions. Now, coming to the question number 49. See students, to solve these sort of questions, we need to transpose. Here the divisor, when it is transposed to the right hand side, it becomes multiplicand. So, 3x minus 8 equals to 1 into 2x, where 1 into 2x gives you 2x only, that is 3x minus 8 is 2x, and continuation, when minus 8 is transposed the other side, it becomes addend. So, it will be added in right hand side, 2x plus 8. Now, this 2x, when it is transposed to the left hand side, becomes subtrahend. Since it is getting added here, addend it is in right hand side. When it is transposed to the left hand side, it becomes subtrahend. So, 3x minus 2x equals to 8, and thus 3x minus 2x, like terms simplification, when we do, we get x equals to 8 is the solution. So, students, similarly, question number 50 can be solved. 5x equals to 2 times of, and I am transposing denominator here. Since the denominator is a binomial, I am taking within braces, that is parenthesis, and this 2 multiplies this binomial with the help of distributive property. I can do correctly. 2 into 2x gives you 4x, 2 into minus 1 gives you minus 2, which we call distribution of 2 over the difference. So, we say multiplication over subtraction operation, distributive property, multiplication over subtraction operation. So, 5x equals to 4x minus 2. Now, I am transposing this 4x to the left hand side, as it is with a positive sign. Remember children, the sign will be whatever is there in front of that term. So, 5x minus 4x equals to minus 2, and 5x minus 4x is simplification of like terms. 5x minus 4x gives you 1x, which is equals to minus 2. Thus, we say the value of x is minus 2, which is the solution. Okay. Now, similarly, question number 51. In this question also, we need to do cross multiplication, that is 3 to be sent that side and 4x plus 5 to be taken this side. We call this technique as cross multiplication technique, as we have learnt in exercise questions from the textbook. See children, both here numerator 2x minus 3 is a binomial and denominator 4x plus 5 is also binomial. So, within parentheses keeping them is a first important instruction. After keeping them within parentheses, then do the cross multiplication. That is now 3 into 2x minus 3, which we do it with the help of distributive property, and 1 into 4x plus 5, where 1 multiplies over the sum of 4x and 5, distributive property. So, you know 1 into anything is same, so that is why I have written 4x plus 5 straight away, but whereas here 3 multiplied to 2x minus 3 to be done properly with the help of distributive property. 3 into 2x, 6x, and 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Now 6x minus 9 equals to 4x plus 5. 4x I am transposing this side, and minus 9 I am transposing the left hand side to right hand side. So 6x, this addend will be subtrahend in left hand side, and this subtrahend, that is with the minus sign 9, when it is transposed right hand side, will become addend. So already plus 5 is there, to that 9 will get added. So 6x minus 4x is 2x, and plus 5 plus 9 is 14. It implies x equal to 7, because 2 multiplying, when it is transposed the other side, it becomes divisor. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So x equals to 7 is the solution. Now similarly, 52nd question we will solve. First we shall keep x minus 1 within parenthesis, because it is a binomial, and do the cross multiplication. So x minus 1 goes up and multiplies 8, 8 into x minus 1, binomial, and this x which is denominator in the left hand side goes to right hand side and multiplies the numerator in right hand side, that is 5 into x. So children, it is distributive property, 8 multiplied over the difference of x and 1. So 8 into x, 8x, 8 into minus 1 is minus 8, equals to 5x. Now this minus 8 I am transposing first here, because 8x equals to 5x plus 8. So this 8 which is with minus sign or which is subtrahend, when it is transposed in the right hand side, becomes addend. Now 5x plus 8 is in right hand side. Now this 5x I will transpose to the left hand side. It implies 8x minus 5x, because it is with plus sign which is getting added in right hand side, becomes subtrahend in left hand side, equals to 8. So 8x minus 5x, you know it is done like term simplifications. So 8x minus 5x is 3x, equals to 8, and implies x equals to 8 upon 3, because 3 is multiplying here. If it comes here, comes to the right hand side, it becomes divisor. So 8 divided by 3 or 8 upon 3 is the solution of this equation. So children, similarly we will solve 53rd question. See this 53rd question, we have done such questions in exercise of textbook. Whenever you come across complex distributions, do it bit by bit. Numerator has got 5 into 1 minus x plus 3 into 1 plus x. So I am doing in the numerator first distribution, 5 into 1 is 5 minus 5 into x is 5x. So this is one of the product, plus 3 into 1 gives me 3, and 3 into plus 5 plus x is 3x. 3 into plus x is 3x. So, this is another product upon 1 minus 2x. So, this is a binomial I kept within parenthesis equals to 8. Now, 5 minus 5x plus 3 plus 3x, we have to remove these braces. So, 5 minus 5x, removing bracket with the help of plus sign changes no signs of the terms here. So, plus 3 remains as plus 3, plus into plus is plus only, plus 3x upon 1 minus 2x equal to 8. Now, 5 plus 5 is like terms, they are like terms, and their sum is 8, minus 5x plus 3x is, they are both like terms, their simplification is minus 5 plus 3. So, difference to be done, and their difference is 2, and it will have a sign of bigger fellow, sign of 5 is minus, so negative comes. This 8 minus 2x is equal to, now I am sending this divisor to the right hand side, which will multiply. So, 8 into 1 minus 2x. Now, by distributive property, multiplication over subtraction, 8 ones are 8 minus 8 2s are 16x. So, 8 minus 2x equals to 8 minus 16x. Now, children, all the variable terms will take one side. Okay. So, I can take all the variable terms such as minus 2x I am taking to the right hand side, and this constant terms I will take one side. Here 8 minus 2x equals to 8 minus 16x, this subtrahend if it comes here it becomes addend, so plus 2x. So, whereas 8 minus 2x equals to 8 minus, oh here 8 minus 2x is not there, I have already taken. So, 8 equal to 8 minus 16x plus 2x, so 8 minus 14x. Now, this plus 8 I can transpose the other side, it becomes 8 minus 8 equals to minus 14x. So, 8 minus 8 is 0, 0 equals to minus 14x, which means minus 14, which is multiplying x, untransposed, it does the division, 0 divided by minus 14 equals to x. Now, you know 0 by any non-zero number is 0 again. So, the value of x is 0. So, that is the solution. See children, solving such questions needs lot of patience and proper concentration. Why? Because even missing a simple sign will vary the entire solution. So, be patient and be present, have complete concentration while solving, you will get correct solutions. If you have got the value of x as 0, you can cross check whether you have done correctly or not also by replacing, substituting. We call it as checking. You can check, cross check later the ones you have solved, found the solution. Now, we will go for question number 54. So, let me take question number 54 in our next slide. Now, coming to the question number 54, see in this question number 54, same cross multiplication to be done, but there are decimals to confuse you they have given. So, put it within bracket this binomials and do as it is how you did in the previous question. So, by cross multiplication 5 goes that side to the left hand side, 5 multiplies to the binomial 0.2x plus 5 equals to this binomial 3.5x minus 3 goes to the right hand side, multiplies to 2 into, so 3.5x minus 3. Now 5 into 0.2, 5 into 0.2 is 1 time x, 5 into plus 5, here 5 5 is a 25 equals to 2 into 3.5, 3 and a half twice is 7, 7x, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. So, it is so simple, they gave you only to confuse this decimal points, but their product is giving very simple 1x and 7x. Now, all the variable terms one side, that is 1x to right hand side, this minus 6 all constant terms to the one side. So, minus 6 to left hand side. So, 25 minus 6, if it comes this side it becomes plus 6 and equals to 7x, which is already there. This 1x comes here, which is here addend, comes the other side, right hand side becomes subtrahend. So, 25 plus 6 is 31 equals to 7x minus 1x is 6x. Therefore, x equal to 31 upon 6. Here 6 is multiplying, comes to the right hand side, sorry left hand side and does the division. So, 31 by 6 is the solution of question number 54. Now, coming to the question number 55. Here same, first remove this bracket, very important here with the minus sign when you are removing bracket. So, sign changes, minus into, it is minus sign means minus 1 actually, you need not get worried. So, minus 1 multiplying over 4 minus 3y. So, minus 1 into plus 4 is minus 4, minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3y upon 2y. Here minus again removes the bracket. So, minus into plus 3 is minus 3, minus into plus 4 is minus 4y equals to 1 upon 5. So, this is the important, first removing bracket. After removing bracket, now simplify, y and 3y are like terms. So, y plus 3y, this is plus y and this is plus 3y. So, their sum is 4y. So, 4y minus 4 upon, so it is a binomial I am keeping within bracket. Now, 2y and minus 4y both are like terms, plus 2y and minus 4y. So, there difference to be done, plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2y and minus 3 is constant, within bracket I am keeping because it is a binomial, equals to 1 upon 5. Now, cross multiplication to be done. So, 5 into 4y minus 4 equals to 1 into minus 2y minus 3. Now, 5 multiplication over 4y minus 4 gives 5 4s are 20 times y minus 5 4s are 20 equals to 1 into anything is same. So, minus 2y minus 3 comes as it is. Now, taking all the variable terms one side and constant the other side. So, minus 2y comes here becomes plus 2y equals to minus 3 minus 20, if it comes here becomes plus 20. So, 20y plus 2y is 22y, minus 3 plus 20 is plus 17. So, y equals to 17 upon 22 is the solution of this equation 55 problem. Now, this 56th question is a very simple question, provided first put it within bracket this binomial x minus 1. So, 6 goes that side, 6x equals to 5 multiplies this side by coming to the right hand side. Since it is binomial, 5 into x minus 1 to be done as a distributive property. So, 5 into x into 5 into minus 1. So, 5x minus 5 into 1 is 5. So, 6x equals to 5x minus 5, and this variable terms I am taking to the left hand side. So, 6x minus 5x equals to minus 5. See children, here 5x has got plus sign, if it comes the left hand side becomes subtrahend minus sign. So, 6x minus 5x is 1x equals to minus 5. So, this is the solution of this equation, x equals to minus 5. So, children, with this I have completed some short answer type questions, that is up to the question number 56th. So, in our next video I will continue from the question number 57 onwards. So, till then take care of yourself. Jai Hind. Thank you.